today to all of us, and let's glorify God today. Have you noticed that many times people wears masks? Not the physical kind, but the kind that hides what's really going on inside of you. Like the smiles when we are hurting, we act strong when we are actually weak. We pretend everything is fine when deep inside it is not. Same thing in social media, Facebook or Instagram. We usually only post the good ones. But what about those tears? What about those failures? What about those struggles? And that's exactly what the mask does to us. It presents an image, but not the truth. You know, there's a danger in wearing masks. People will never see the real you. It blocks your healing because you cannot get healed when you keep hiding in your mask. And it is said in James 5:16. Mask also cannot deceive God because God sees not only your appearance, but God sees what's in your heart. And lastly, must stop your transformation. Because the real change can only happen when you come to Christ unveiled, mentioned in 2 Corinthians 3:18. But the good news is, when you come to Him without wearing your mask, when you come to Him genuinely, when you're broken or imperfect, He will not turn away from you. Instead, He will heal your wounds and give you rest and transform you to a new creation. And this will set you free in His truth. As 1 Samuel 16:7 says, man looks at the outward appearance, but God looks at your heart. So dear brothers and sisters, I urge you today to start removing that mask that you are wearing and come to Jesus as you truly are, because He did not die for us when you are wearing that mask. He died for us when you are in the real you. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this enlightened us, and to God be the glory.